Alright, I'm going to try something interesting here. Today I want to make a simple little kind of progress indicator, I guess. So let's start with an order list. Progress. Stage times 5. Okay, stage 1. Yeah, I can do that later. Okay, and then we want to do dot progress display right now. Let's see, what do we want? We want dot stage display inline block and then height. Let's see, root. For the root, we want to say font size calc 1 rem plus 1 viewport width. Bars, variables, dash green, flat UI color picker, green. Let's say shamrock. Let's make color green, and then blue. We want blue. Say I think this is the first picked in, or it's the second picked in blue. I'll take that one. And gray. 2, 3, 6. Call that white. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. That's white. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait a minute. What do I want? That's not gray. I'll go gallery. Oh. Control C. Control B. State active. Faded. Okay. HTML. Background dash color. Var dash white. Inspect. Let's see. 1E, 1E, 1E. That sounds good. 1E, 1E, 1E. Okay. Background color, that color is our black. Okay. Block height is call it 1.5 viewport height. Width 1.5. Wait, I want these both to be the same. Gonna be circles. Border dash radius 50%. Background dash color. Oh, background color. Var green. Okay, here we go. Let's center the progress. Var body display flex justify content center line items middle. Yeah, height 100 people width bright. Right. So that's not. There, okay. Center, not middle. Okay, let's scale this up. 3. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. Still more. Let's say 10. Make them pretty big. Okay. Let's see. Dot stage. First child. Heading 0. And heading right 1M. 1M. And then I'll push out last child here. Ooh. That's, oh, margin. Okay. Let's bump this up to 5. There we go, some more space. So each stage is going to be, this is inbox, this is inbox, this is today, this is draft, this is done, this is dropped. So if you can't tell, I'm doing this for a to-do application, one where I have different states. Instead of just like normal to-dos would have like, okay, it needs to get done, and then okay, now it is done. Whereas this one, I'm going to have 5 different states that each to-do can be in. So let's see. So everything starts off with dot stage, not dot active, background dash color bar blue. Okay, and then we want to make the first one active, because that's going to be the default. Okay, now we need a connector between the two of them. So we should add another li here, li.connector, and the connector we want, let's see, what's progress here, let's see, progress position relative, and then we want dot connector position absolute, absolute position. Then we want width 100%, then we can shim this over. Let's see, background height 0.5 rem, background dash color bar gray. Okay, so you're there. So we want top 0. Okay, so we want this to be stage, each height is 10 view min, so we want it, top is 5 v min, and then I want calc 5 v min minus 0.5 rem, no, minus 0.25 rem. So this is going to position it halfway between the bar, so it should be right in the center. And then left is 0. What is that? Actually, what I think about it is we probably want the after of a dot stage after content view display inline block height 0.5 rem, 2.5 rem, and then we can drop this connector. So what I'm going to do now is, instead of using that connector to link up the dots, I'm going to use an after element after each li to display like a block between these two things. So height is that, width is, what we want it to be is, we want it to be we want it to be 5 rem, I think. Let's see. 5 rem, background, color, bar, we'll call it, what do we have up here? Blue. Okay, and then we want to position it to the, or we want to move it to the right a little bit. So I guess I want to move it up a little bit. Position absolute. Nope. Absolute. Okay, top. And this is yet again the calc. What is it? 10 v min minus 0.125 rem. Oop, all the notifications coming through. Left. We want it to be over 10 v min. Calc. Why is there only one of them? Let's see. Oh, we want to set stage position relative. Position relative. Alright, there we go. Now, let's see. Let's plot this out. What is that? What if we do 5? Okay, yep, half and half. There we go. And then left, yeah, that's right. So we actually need its width to be a little bit more. 6? Yeah. And then stage last child. Last child. After content stage, last child. There we go. Okay. Do I need this? Yep. Okay. Alright. So we want to be able to click this and toggle it, which means that each li is going to have a state, data dash state, or data dash active, false. This is here, and here. So I could do this with like a radio button, I guess. Yeah, but the problem with the radio button is I would only have one of them clicked and everything else would be off if they're all in the same group. And ideally I want them all related to each other. So like everything within this OL should be all related to like one progress or one task object. So I guess what I can do is say let stages equals elements by class name stage. Okay. For 0 is less than the stages step length plus plus. If stages of I dot get attribute data dash active equals false equals false. Then we want to, let's see, sorry, so it's easy to read. What do we want to do? Let's see, we want to find a click hammer, so function stage dot stage on click event. Let me pass that. Okay. This dot set attribute. So this should be bound to the element itself. So attribute data dash active true. I think I need to pass it as a string. And then actually what we can do is wrap this if do that data active equals not this dot get attribute I don't know if that will work. Data dash active. Okay, and then let's see. So we want to style the. We want to say dot stage data dash active equals true after background dash color want to be green. Right, so that means that whenever one of these is set to true, let's set this one to true. Wrong one. False. Set this one to true. Then, yep, this will be green. So that means that this will be checked, and this is the active state. So then, if let's see. So if we so what we want is dot stage data dash active equals true plus dot stage. We want to say that the next one is going to have border solid 2 pixels color, let's see, var green. Right, so that way we have that, and then actually we can do this box shadow let's see, 0, 0, 2 10 There we go. So now we get this little fancy, like, green status indicator that this is the one, or this is the stage we should be thinking about. And then we want to do dot stage 10th child child 1 after, let's see, what are we doing after? We should do before content 1, and we could use a counter here. Ooh, that's interesting. So, dash size, calc, wait, font size got 80%. Why are you dropping down below? Line dash height 10 min. Bring it up. No. Position absolute. Let's break it out of flow. There we go. Top calc. Again, we're breaking out this like half thing. I'll say its height. Display inline block. Height to be 1.4 rem, let's say, and then we can say this is 0.7 rem, and left calc. So it should be 1 rem, let's see, 80%, so it should be 0.m width, I think. Maybe I'm wrong, I don't know. 5 min minus 5 m. This top isn't working. And block, right? Let's pump this up to like 2. Five. That looks about right. And then we want it left to be 0.3 about. And I'll say font family same one as Sif. we're basically copying this. Let's see, what we can do is we can break all this stuff out into stage after or before. Right here. There we go. And then this can be repeated. Job 2, 2, so on and so forth. So 3, 4, 5. 3. This is for sanity's sake. We'll make it 5, 4, 4, 3, 3. So there we go. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. So we also want dot stage hover to be cursor point, or actually I don't need to put that on a hover. I can throw that in dot stage. Cursor pointer. Okay, perfect. So now stage of I dot on click equals stage on click. Yeah, okay. So let's console log in here. Log the world. Just do a sanity check. And then let's inspect this. Go. Push down below. We already have 8 warnings. I don't know if that's because of. Ooh, that's an interesting bug. Oh, because those are all viewport based stuff. We should make this rems. 5 rem. Ooh. Oh, we want 2 rem. 1 rem. There we go. And then lose all of our positioning. Oh, because everything's absolutely positioned, so it's gonna do that. Oh, because everything's based on this vmin. What are we at? We're at 5 rem or 1 rem, so we should do 0.5 rem. Left is 1 rem. There we go. It should really be like 0.25 rem. 0.25 rem. 0.5 rem. 5 rem. 5 rem. There we go. Okay, that's good enough for me. So let's go to console. Stage is not defined. Ah, that's why. Okay, so can't recover set attribute of undefined. Okay, so console.log this. So what gets passed on that function? Undefined. Let's clear this. What is happening? On click. need to be spelled like that. Set attribute undefined. So it seems to be passing in. This is a what is it? It's I'm not sure what the technical name is. It's like a closure or something, or it's only being passed to this last event or this last item. So I'm not exactly sure. Let's do this. Let's say, okay, so stages, log stages. Let's just make sure that we're same here. And then that should be a stages with S. So that should be an array, yep, of elements. So we can say, or an array of it's an HTML collection. Okay. So what we want to do is attributes. Yeah, attributes. Data-active. Text. Oh, interesting. Passive text content. We could just set this -active. What does this do? True. Is that valid? HTML. First one, attributes, -active. No, it gets stringified, I guess. Okay. Okay, so let's say, I mean, you can do this silly way, I guess. Stage 0. You can say this is 0, 0, and then 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we can say stage 1, stage 0, dot onClick equals our onClick function. So it's on stage click. And we can say our function on stage click function. We have to repeat this each time. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Yeah, I cannot type. 4. Okay. This done. Set attribute data-active. Actually, we could just do this with class names, right? Because we already have this active class that we defined up there. Dot stage. Problem is, it's probably not good to bind to class names. Then again, we're styling based on attributes anyway. So, let's change this to not data-active equals true. So if that is not true, it should still be blue, but if it is true, it would be green. And then let's try something out. True. So, oh, it's going to, let's see, plus that. I don't know if there's any way to get the last item that isn't true and style it. Well, that's something to think about. So we need to implement this function. Click function here. So to do style last, or style first encountered data-active equals false. Right, and then to implement the onClick handler, and then 3 would be we should have some sort of lock that prevents us from saying, okay, we're at 2, we want to jump to 4, for example. So we want to prevent that. So prevent clicking ahead. So which means this we're going to have to keep some sort of state of like the current active element and its position. Okay, I think I'm going to stop the recording there and come back and think about this. I mean, already I've kind of made some progress in thinking about how I want to style this thing here. And I'm sure there's probably some issues. You probably want this to be like, let's see, probably want this left to be maybe 0.9 just so it actually positions properly there. And maybe scale up things and push the numbers down a little bit. But yeah, so I'm sure we could probably do that here. 3.5, 3.75. Yeah. So yeah, I'm going to stop there. You can check out this pen. See, on CodePen, this is going to be progress indicator. Part 1. Save. So you can just check out this pen by going to, I don't know if this URL is going to be static, you can go there, or you can just go to my profile right here and go to my pens. I think you can just go to like public and be able to go to it. Yep, right there. So so if you want to actually like fork this and maybe implement it the proper way, or implement some functionality that I didn't get to today, feel free to do that. Otherwise, thanks for joining me.